Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video, you can watch the healthiest breakfast varieties in the world. I try to share with you how to prepare a basic open buffet breakfast with all the details from start to finish. Turkish breakfast includes varieties of borek. First of all, borek with minced meat will be made. This mixture contains eggs, milk, yogurt and mineral water, some sunflower oil and salt. Phyllo dough used in making borek. 1 ladle of the mixture is added and the phyllo bread is soaked. Adding roasted ground beef and parsley. After being rolled up, it is added to the baking tray. Adding sauce on pastries. Sesame and black cumin. Crispy pastries are ready after 30 minutes in the oven at 170 degrees. As a pastry, it can be yogurt cake and cocoa cake. 8 eggs, 500 grams of sugar, you need to whisk it until it turns a little white. ,700 grams of yogurt, 300 grams of sunflower oil, some salt, ,750 grams of flour, baking soda, powder vanilla, dough baking powder, it is added to the baking tray and baked at 170 degrees for 22 minutes. Version of the same cake with cocoa. Tahini halva. We have a video showing how tahini halva is made, you can watch it. Olive varieties. Black olive. Classic feta cheese is a type of cheese made with cow's milk. Chicken salami. Tomatoes. Small cherry tomatoes can be used in summer. Cucumber. Cheddar cheese. This cheese is a type of cheese similar to mozzarella cheese. Apple compote is a healthy drink as a cold drink alternative. Tomato soup. Butter, sunflower oil and flour are added. Sweet tomato paste. Boiling water. Cold milk and finally salt to be added. Crispy bread will be made to add to soups. Breads are sliced into small slices and toasted in the oven for 8 minutes. Fried potatoes.
Bunları yaptık, bunları yaptık, şunları yaptık. Yeni gelenlere söyledik de abone olsun arkadaşlar ya.
Frozen potatoes are not used, these are fresh potatoes. Milk cream. After boiling the cow's milk, let it cool down. This white layer is the crusted layer formed on the milk. It is preferred together with honey. Open buffet breakfast has been prepared. Let's see how many varieties and what we haven't seen yet. Fried potatoes, minced meat and savory pastry, tomato soup, types of cakes, tahini, molasses, milk cream, tahini halva, liquid honey, apple compote, boiled egg, olive varieties, chicken salami, tomatoes, cucumber, types of cheese. Open buffet breakfast was prepared with an average of 20 kinds of ingredients. Open buffet breakfast is prepared with 80 kinds of ingredients in 5-star hotels. You watched the 12th video I prepared about Turkish breakfast. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.